Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. Now, we're just at the end of 2023, peering over into 2024, and we all like to have some sort of resolutions. And what I find that something that I really enjoy doing is resetting my creative goals. So, what I have here is a pamphlet that you might really enjoy. It's a free download on my website. Follow the link below, and it has questions that you can answer and look at and be honest with yourself. Do you want to just work on techniques? Do you want to sell your paintings? How creative do you want to be? Is it important to you? And it removes a lot of those invisible obstacles that hold you back. And this doesn't really only apply to watercolor or art. You can just change a few words and it really applies to life, because we all have some sort of hidden fears and obstacles that are all unseen and self-created problems, or obstacles that just kind of keep us in place. I mean, I noticed some of mine actually just last week. I had a lot of fear about even sending an email. Now, that's kind of a silly thing, but we don't know that unless we're really honest with ourselves. So I suggest that you get this little workbook here and print it out on your home computer in the actual size so it fits the entire paper here. I have lots of things in here. You have a calendar, and actually if you set your goals for maybe 3 to 6 months, make them small, and then you can expand on it from there. I think you're really going to enjoy this. I know I will, and I'm going to do this again. I do this every year. So I'm going to let you go. Follow the link if you'd like it. And until next time, have fun and Happy New Year. I'm going to get my pencil out.